Hey guys, Bratty Biker here. Hope you're all doing well. I hope this lockdown is treating you all well too. So my bike, it looks great except for that one part that looks really bad due to the rust. That is the rear mudguard, and today we're gonna change it. And I got one from a brand called as Kolar. Sorry, Kular, not Kolar. So these guys have been making bicycle parts. So let us start with the disassembly. So we need to take the seat off, the sari guard off, and that will give us access to the rear mud guard. So let's do it now. So as you guys can see, the old mud guard is pretty badly rusted and it's been held down by two bolts here, so we need to remove them first. So in my motorcycle, it's a size 10 spanner, T-spanner. Bolts are out, and there is a washer, guys. Do not forget the washer. The next thing that's holding them down, see this bolt here, we got to remove this here. Here it's already been removed when the sari guard was taken off. So move that bolt and the rear mudguard should come off pretty easily. In this case, this is a 14 mm T for this bolt. We have to push this bolt in and it will fall off. The washer will fall off too. That's about all the bolts that are holding it down. But before we remove it, we need to take off these cables off the hook that's present on the mudguard. Correct. Now let's try to remove the guard. And yeah, it's that easy. This is the old mudguard. Looks horrible. I'll keep it there. Meanwhile, let me go out get some brand new bolts for the new mudguard so it will prevent rusting. So yeah, let me go do that. Out with the old bolts, in with the new ones. This look a lot more than this, but I just got a few more as a backup kit. So yeah, now let's begin reassembling everything back with the new mudguard. Before we go ahead and install it, let us check out the differences between the new one and the old one. Okay, before we do that, let us clean the place. This looks pretty bad. A small tip for you guys, so when you're tightening these things, where they also have a provision for using a spanner, T-spanner, also have a provision to use a screwdriver, always you can use a spanner, T-spanner to tighten them down. This is the best way of tightening them down. Okay, now let's rearrange back the cables into the given slot. Let's put back the seat now. Actually, you have to take out the number plate so that you can tighten the center bolt, but I am too lazy right now, so I'm not going to do it. But anyways, it's sad that I have to install the sari guard back, but for now that old rusted sari guard will do. but I'm not going to install it on this video. So as you guys can see, new mudguard has been installed and looks pretty good. It goes with the setup, and I guess the rustiest part of my motorcycle is gone now, and this mud flap is new also. Looks really good. Looks much better than the old one that is sitting here. You guys can look at the difference. It looks like it's been bent here. Maybe it's to accommodate for the wider 3 rear tire. So anyways, I was not even able to remove this because these 3 screws were rounded off. I mean, they were stuck, so I was not able to remove them. But for now, I think these should do. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep the blue smoke alive. Ratty Biker signing off. Have a wonderful day.